In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a screenshot on Steam. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you want to share memorable moments from your games with friends or the wider Steam community. So, let's get started. First, open your Steam app on your computer. This should be straightforward, but if you don't already have it installed, simply go ahead and download it from the official Steam website. Next, ensure you're signed into your account. This step is crucial because if you're not logged in, you won't be able to access the features you need to post a screenshot. Once you're logged in, look at the top corner of the Steam interface. You'll see the word Steam. Click on it. This action will bring up a drop-down list. Within this list, you're going to want to navigate to the Settings menu. The Settings menu is where we can adjust various features to ensure everything is set up correctly for taking and sharing screenshots. While you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the In-Game option and click on it. Doing this will display several settings related to your gameplay experience. Among these settings, you'll find the option for enabling the Steam overlay while in-game. Make sure this option is enabled. The Steam overlay is important because it allows you to take screenshots while playing your games. After ensuring that the Steam overlay is active, continue scrolling down within the in-game settings. You'll eventually come across a section dedicated to screenshots. Here, you'll need to find the hotkey for taking screenshots. By default, the key assigned for this function is F12, but you can customize this if you like. For now, let's stick with using the F12 key since it's the default and it works perfectly well for most users. After making these adjustments in your settings, go ahead and exit out of the Settings menu. Now navigate over to your profile on Steam. Once you're there, you'll see options that allow you to post screenshots. At this point, the path to sharing your game moments is clear. You can start taking in-game screenshots by pressing F12 whenever you want to capture something exciting. When you're ready, go ahead and share these screenshots effortlessly with your friends or make them available to the broader Steam community. It's a great way to not only showcase your gaming achievements but also to connect with others who share your gaming interests. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to take and post screenshots on Steam, so feel free to capture and share as many memorable gaming moments as you like. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!